Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. Today we are outside working on a Slash 4x4 and he put in all MIP X duties. Well, let's get a good shot of them. Where are they?
Right there.
Not focusing. Well, yeah, he put in all MIP X duty, and I don't know if you've ever used these, but the common fault for them is they fall apart. Because of so much vibration, the pin, there's a little pin and a grub screw that goes through them, and there's quite a few of them, and they come out. MIP provides blue Loctite and some grease, but in my experience, everyone who I know who has put X duties in the Slash 4x4, they've all rattled apart. I don't think blue is strong enough. So he just bought the repair kit. This is one of the pins. This is what falls out, is this little pin. And there's two per axle. Yeah, there's two per axle, and there's a grub screw that holds it in place. And this is the MIP repair kit, and you just get two pins, two little collars, two of the grubs. $16 they want for the repair kit, Canadian. Anyway, we're gonna do the repair, but just wanted to show you that. The MIP X duties are a good piece of hardware. These are all rusted up because they've been used in the winter and stuff, but the problem with them is they fall apart. They'll never break, but yeah, they're more likely to fall apart on you. So we're gonna try red Loctite on that one, and hopefully it holds together. So the point you might want to put on X duties is because the stock ones are just plastic drive shafts, and on 3S they tend to torque and break, as well as if you ever want to go to a bigger tire, to something like a 2.8, you're going to want stronger drive shafts. So they are a good idea, but they do weigh a lot, and yeah, here's all the stockers. Here's all the stock. I mean, you've seen stock drive shafts. Oh, these are all broken? Yeah. This is his sack of broken drive shafts. So he had enough of that and went for the X duties. And they're holding up. Problem is they fall apart. And I have another guy at the racetrack who races on X duties, and his are constantly falling apart. So I would say that I really wish the MIP would include red Loctite with their kit, because what does it matter if you use red? You're never going to want to take them apart again. So why not use the strongest available to put them together? Getting some beauty shots of your rusty rig.
Doesn't look very sweet right now.
No.
But it also hasn't moved since February.
Yeah. Alright, slight snag. I was just harping about how you should use red Loctite. He thought he had some, but it's an illusion. So, yeah, red Loctite, right? Nope. Blue in a red bottle. Why would they do that? That's so
counterintuitive.
Yeah, that's a little bit counterintuitive. There's a real Loctite brand too. It's not even some generic thing. Yeah. Thread locker, blue, removable. Whoops. So, anyway, I guess he's going to use that. I wonder what's better, the genuine Loctite brand or the MIP blue thread locker gel that they include. Anyway, it's going to go back together with blues. I'll have an update after our bash session today and show you and tell you how many axles fell apart.
Or during our
Hopefully none. Yeah, or during.
It'll either fall apart shortly thereafter, or we'll get some runs out of it.
Yeah. Well, I hope we do. Anyway, interesting test. Alright, all the MIP axles are repaired and Badlands are on, ready to go for a rip. And I'll report back later and tell you if the axle's held in. Okay guys, we've got a Slash axle update. My Slash blew its stock axles, a front outer and a rear outer. So I fixed one, about to do the other, but this is something that you have to do quite a bit on a Slash. You can buy them just as a set, and it's much easier to just fix them as a set, but when you get desperate and running low on parts, you have to build your own axles. But yeah, this tool, that's for holding these balls in place so you can pop on axles. Yeah, so you're just using this tool and pushing the little pin up and in.
I think you're beyond it.
Nope, there we go, just snapped in. It's there.
That's dope.
Fixed drive shafts. On this Slash, the X duties held together, but it started to get a weird slip out there, so we're back at the workshop and trying to diagnose what the problem is. Give it for a rip. He took the motor out and there was huge rocks under the motor, which he thinks was lifting the motor up off of its mesh, but he didn't strip a gear, he didn't break an axle, nothing looks broken, it just was all bung up and wouldn't run. That seems fine, right?
It does seem fine now.
Yeah. So So it just had a bunch of rocks stuck under it. In the drivetrain, it got a humongous rock. It seemed to be enough resistance to be a problem. Axle's holding together though. Oh, battery ejected. They got such good acceleration. What'd you break? Oh, front arm.
Front axle. MIP.
No. Oh, it's gone.
It's gone.
Seriously, if you get the MIP axles, you have to use red Loctite. You have to. They just do not stay together.
Weld them on.
You need to come back with a magnet sweeper. If you can find the big piece, you have another repair kit. That was a massive cartwheel crash. I probably could have ejected it in any direction, really. You don't think he would have noticed until that last one?
It seemed like it's working fine now. It's just rear wheel.
That's just rear wheel drive right now on just the MIPs. It's got a broken front.
Most of that won't be visible.
No, definitely not.
Okay, unplug it. I'm just gonna run this till it's dead.